Hello! In this video, we'll walk through the features of Sprite Master Pro in detail. First, let's start with an overview of the Asset window. In the top bar, you can see the Preset and Target buttons. In the Target section, you can switch between folder and manual modes. Folder mode processes sprites from selected folders, while manual mode lets you add specific sprites manually. When folder mode is selected, a subfolder option becomes available. Enabling this option allows the asset to also process sprites from all subfolders. In both modes, you can add folders or sprites either by clicking the plus button or by using drag and drop. Regarding presets, they allow you to save selected objects in both folder and manual modes. This way, you won't have to reselect these objects every time. You can select an existing preset, update an existing one, create a new preset, or delete any preset. Now, let's start a detailed look at the asset's features. The first feature is Resolution Fixer. It adjusts sprites to a specific resolution to optimize them and reduce file size. As you can see, none of the existing sprites are divisible by 4. This means they cannot be compressed and their size cannot be reduced. Let's fix the sprites using Resolution Fixer and see the result. Voila! As you can see, the sprite sizes have been significantly reduced. The next feature is Trimmer. It removes unnecessary empty pixels from the sprite and helping to reduce the overall size for compression. As you can see, the sprites have extra empty pixels and cannot be compressed. Let's trim the sprites and see the result. Now, the empty pixels are gone and the sprite sizes have been reduced. The next feature is padding. Unlike Trimmer, padding adds empty pixels to make the asset's dimensions compatible with power of 2 sizes. The next feature is Atlas Generator. It combines multiple sprites into a single multi-sprite atlas, which you can then use in your project as needed. In the settings, you can specify the atlas's max size and select the max size mode. Set import max size creates one large atlas and only sets Unity's import max size field. Split into multiple generates multiple atlases if the total size exceeds the selected max size. You can also add sprites to an existing atlas by enabling Extend Existing Atlas. Let's create an atlas now. As you can see, the atlas has been successfully created. The next feature is Renamer. It allows you to rename sprites based on a pattern, making organization much easier. Next, we have animation tools. It allows you to create Unity animations automatically, so you no longer need to place frames manually. It also comes with a preview feature to see the animation in action. Next is the performance feature. It analyzes your sprites and provides recommendations on how to optimize them for better performance. You can also search for a specific asset and choose a sorting method to quickly find what you need. We have batch import. It applies the specified settings to multiple sprites at once. Several presets are already prepared to make the process faster. Finally, there is Duplicate Finder. It helps you locate duplicate sprites in your project quickly and efficiently. This concludes our tutorial. Wishing you a productive day.